Walking to lose weight sounds simple. Almost too simple, so most people ignore it. They think fat loss has to be intense, sweating hard, gasping for air, going all out. But what if I told you there's a slower, calmer way to walk, that actually helps you burn fat, reduce stress, and stick to it long term? Yeah. It's called Tai Chi walking, and it works very differently from regular walking. Most people walk fast, distracted, headphones in, mind somewhere else. Tai Chi walking flips that completely. It's slower, more controlled, more intentional, and that shift changes how your body uses energy, how your mind handles stress, and how consistent you can stay. Let's break down why Tai Chi walking can be a powerful tool for weight loss, and how to actually do it right. Tai Chi walking comes from the principles of Tai Chi, slow, controlled movement with full body awareness. Instead of rushing from point A to point B, you slow things down. Each step is deliberate. Your posture is upright. Your breathing is steady. Your focus is on the movement itself. It might look easy on the outside, but when you actually try it, you realize it requires control, balance, and attention. It's not just walking, it's mindful movement. Now you might be thinking, slow walking? How does that help with fat loss? Fair question. Because weight loss isn't just about burning the most calories in the shortest time, it's about doing something you can repeat consistently. Tai Chi walking works because it hits three key things. It keeps your body moving, it lowers stress, and it's easy to stick with. And those three things together, that's what actually drives long-term fat loss. High-intensity workouts are great, but let's be real, not everyone can do them every day. They're exhausting, they take willpower, and they're easy to skip when you're tired. Tai Chi walking is different, it's low intensity. That means your body can rely more on fat as a fuel source during the activity, and because it's not draining, you can do it more often. More consistency equals more total calories burned over time. That's the long game. This part is huge, and most people overlook it. Stress plays a big role in weight gain. When stress is high, your body releases cortisol, and high cortisol levels can increase cravings, especially for sugar and junk food. Tai Chi walking slows your breathing, calms your nervous system, and reduces stress. So instead of fighting cravings all day, you naturally feel more in control. That alone can make a massive difference. When you do regular walking, you're usually on autopilot. You're thinking about work, scrolling your phone, rushing somewhere. With Tai Chi walking, you slow everything down. You pay attention to how your foot touches the ground, how your weight shifts, how your body stays balanced. You move smoothly, almost like you're gliding, and that focus turns walking into a kind of moving meditation. You're not just burning calories, you're resetting your mind. Here's something most people don't realize. Tai Chi walking actually engages more muscles than regular walking. Because you're moving slowly, your body has to stabilize itself more. Your core stays active. Your legs work harder to control movement. Your posture muscles stay engaged. So even though it looks gentle, your body is working the whole time. Alright, let's make this practical. Here's how you start. First, slow down, way slower than your normal walk. Second, focus on your steps. Place your heel down gently, then roll through your foot. Third, keep your posture upright, chest open, shoulders relaxed, head level. Fourth, breathe steadily, in through your nose, out through your mouth. Keep it calm, natural. And finally, stay present. No phone, no distractions, just you and your movement. You don't need hours. Start with 15 to 20 minutes. That's enough to feel the difference. As you get comfortable, you can go longer. 30 minutes, even 45. The key is consistency. Doing it daily or almost daily matters more than doing it perfectly. Tai Chi walking works great as part of your day. You can do it in the morning to start calm, or in the evening to unwind. It also pairs well with other workouts. You can still lift weights, do cardio, whatever you like. Tai Chi walking just adds a low-stress, sustainable layer. Let's keep it real. People mess this up too. First mistake, going too fast. If you're rushing, you're missing the whole point. Second, treating it like regular walking. This is about control, not speed. Third, not being consistent. Doing it once in a while won't do much. You need to make it part of your routine. This is where Tai Chi walking really shines. It doesn't feel like punishment. It doesn't drain you. It actually feels good. and when something feels good, you're more likely to keep doing it. That's the secret most people miss. The best workout isn't the hardest one, it's the one you actually stick with. Tai Chi walking isn't flashy, it's not intense, it's not trendy, but it's effective. It helps you stay active, reduce stress, and build a routine you can maintain. You don't always need to go harder to lose weight. Sometimes, you just need to slow down, stay consistent, and let your body do its thing. And Tai Chi walking does exactly that.